CompTIA A Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 4.2. Summarize Cloud Computing Concepts. Cloud Service Types. We're on the brink of wrapping up our exploration of Domain 4 in the CompTIA A Core 1 exam objectives. But hold on to your hats because we've got one more exciting topic to cover: cloud service types. Now, building upon our previous discussion of the diverse cloud deployment models, public, private, hybrid, and community, it's now time to learn about the various service types that comprise the cloud computing landscape. Cloud services fall into three primary categories: infrastructure as a service, or IaaS, platform as a service, or PaaS, and software as a service, or SaaS. These service types represent distinct levels of abstraction and functionality, each offering unique benefits and use cases. Let's explore each of these service types in detail to gain a comprehensive understanding of their functionalities and advantages. IaaS serves as the foundational layer. It grants organizations access to fundamental computing resources like servers, storage, and networking infrastructure. Here, users have the autonomy to build and manage their virtual machines and networks remotely, allowing for seamless scalability according to demand. IaaS liberates businesses from the burden of investing in costly hardware and alleviates the complexities of maintenance, providing a flexible environment for building and hosting their data and applications. Building upon the infrastructure layer, PaaS elevates cloud computing by offering a comprehensive software development and deployment environment. Imagine PaaS as a streamlined construction site where software developers are empowered to build and deploy applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. PaaS platforms abstract away the intricacies of configuring servers and managing networking resources, enabling software developers to focus solely on coding. This model accelerates the development lifecycle, fostering rapid application delivery and facilitating collaboration among development teams. At the pinnacle of cloud services lies SaaS. SaaS can be likened to a fully furnished home, where users simply consume ready-made applications over the internet. With SaaS, organizations can access a plethora of software applications, from productivity suites to customer relationship management systems, via web browsers or dedicated clients. This consumption-based model eliminates the need for installation, maintenance, or updates, providing unparalleled convenience and accessibility for users. In essence, cloud services empower organizations to leverage modern computing technologies while minimizing operational overhead and capital expenditures. Whether it's the flexibility of IaaS, the agility of PaaS, or the convenience of SaaS, cloud computing serves as a catalyst for innovation, collaboration, and business growth in today's digital landscape. Moving forward with this topic, you should also understand how responsibility is shared between users and cloud service providers across different service types. In managing a cloud environment, this shared responsibility encompasses various components, including the data center, networking, storage, servers, virtualization, operating system, data, and applications. For infrastructure as a service, users bear more responsibility for managing the operating system, applications, and data. The cloud provider handles infrastructure-related tasks such as data center management, networking, storage, server maintenance, and virtualization management. In platform as a service, the cloud provider takes on more responsibility for managing the underlying infrastructure by including the operating system. Users are primarily responsible for developing, deploying, and managing their applications and data. With software as a service, the cloud provider assumes the majority of responsibility, including managing the entire stack from infrastructure to applications. Users are typically responsible for configuring the application settings and managing user access. This division of responsibility allows users to focus on their core business functions while leveraging the expertise and resources of the cloud service provider. By understanding the shared responsibilities across different service types, Organizations can effectively manage their cloud environments and maximize the benefits of cloud computing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.